Hey y'all, so it is lunchtime on Monday. It's literally noon right now. And I ran home to have lunch today. My dad had other plans, and so instead of going out, spending money, eating out again, I thought, let me run home and we'll fix something up. Okay, so for lunch, I've decided, I'm gonna cook up some of the riced cauliflower from Trader Joe's, and we have a few of these blackened Tyson chicken strips left. So I'm gonna pick a couple of these out and put these in the air fryer. Throw this on the stove, shouldn't take more than 10 minutes, and we'll have lunch. And while that's cooking, I'm gonna try the clothes on. Fashion Pass. Do y'all know what this is? I'm not working with them. This is not sponsored. I have zero affiliation with this company other than I know people who have used it. It's basically like clothing rental. So think of like Rent the Runway. When I was in college, Rent the Runway, I'm pretty sure only had like formal attire, but now there's so many different subscriptions, and it's just like you rent the clothes, you wear them, and then you send them back. And I don't know about y'all, but like once it's featured on my Instagram, and I mean like my personal Instagram, I have like a private account that I've used, you know, since Instagram came out, and that's like people from my hometown, people that I know in real life. And then I have my Louise Lane account, which all of y'all follow me on. And I don't really care that much about the Louise Lane, mostly because it's like food and whatever. But on my real, like my real Instagram, my private Instagram, once I post an outfit, I'm not gonna wear that outfit again if I plan to be pictured. I don't know, but all my friends feel the same way. Like it's just a thing. So I thought, I have some weddings coming up and other events. We're going out one night downtown next month for someone's birthday, and everyone's dressing up. So I thought I would just like try it out. It's $120. I got the first month for $100 because they had like a $20 off deal, but there's also different levels. I'm doing the mid-level where you can get 4 pieces at a time, and you can do like unlimited orders. So I could send all of these 4 back in a week and get 4 more for the same $100 that month. You don't have to pay more for that. But yeah, it's pretty cool. And all the stuff's really expensive. Like all of these dresses are almost $200. So it's crazy. It's like Show Me Your Moo Moo for Love and Lemons. Like this one is for Love and Lemons. It's a very expensive brand. But how cute is this little baby doll dress? I mean, it's short. It's really short. I'm 5'4" and I feel like this look at the back. Like, is that gonna cover my hiney? I don't know. I'm not sure, but how freaking cute is this with like black heels? Oh, I love it. And they send you like a prepaid thing to send your clothes back, or you can keep them and they'll charge you for it if you like a piece enough that you want to buy it. And you don't have to clean it or anything. Dry cleaning, they do it all themselves. So pretty awesome. Okay, so this is the first dress. This is the one that I would wear to the wedding. I did take the bra off because it has a lower back situation. So I definitely need like some fashion tape or some little sticky boobs. Also, these are, you can tighten these with a tie, but when I reach back, I can't do it. Like I can't get it as tight for myself. See how like loose that is? So I'll have to have somebody else do that, but it is zipped to the top, so it fits. That was what I was worried about, was it not fitting. Also, I've been eating like crap for 2 weeks, so I feel like we've got like 4 weeks before the wedding. I could definitely slim it down a bit, and this would fit a little more comfortably because it is very snug right here. It's also really long. Let me adjust so y'all can see the floor. It's really long right now. It does have about 2 inches laying on the floor, but with a heel, it just brushes. I mean, it doesn't even touch when I'm on my tiptoes, so I feel like that would be perfect. So this is an option for the June wedding. It's also really light. I feel like I would be very comfortable. It's a super light material, and like how gorgeous. Are you kidding? It's so pretty. So this I think is a win. I love it. Okay, y'all, here is another one. This one I did not think was gonna fit based on reviews, and I thought it was gonna be way too short. I am only 5'4", so maybe, but like even people who were 5'5" were saying it was too short, but it's like well past the fingertips. I really like this. I feel like it makes me look really slim. It also has plenty of room, like sitting for me is a thing. Like, is it gonna be tight when I sit down? Is it gonna hug my stomach when I sit down? And this has like lots of room. So I love that. My only hesitation is the back is low, so I need to tape it here. But if y'all can see right here when I put my arms down, I have that like chub on my back, which maybe I can get rid of in 4 weeks, but yeah, that would be my only hesitation is I'm like not trying to show that off. But other than that, I love this. I feel very pretty in this, very skinny. I love the color, like side view. I feel really confident. So maybe my goal should be wear this one, but get on that treadmill 4 to 6 times a week and get that little hang taken care of. So we'll see. Okay, number 3, I love this one. I think this is so pretty. I would wear this to a lot of things. Brunch with Morgan, dinner with the girls, anything like that. I originally got it for the downtown night, but in comparison to that orange one, I just feel like the orange one is more the vibe that we're going for. And now I'm wondering if I should do this one for that wedding, even though I'm obsessed with the other one. It does have a tie and a zipper, and it's a little tight in the midsection. This one, however, is not. It has like ruching in the back, so it's just a stretchy material. The straps honestly fit me perfectly. Has a little peep right here. I don't have to wear a bra. It's padded. My girls are tiny, so they're fitting in there perfectly. I like this. It's midi length, so I could just throw on like a little black shoe, probably a little black heel, and call it a day for the wedding. I got, like, my friends sent me pictures of what they're wearing, and it's also like more casual midi length dresses, so I do feel like the other one's a little fancy in comparison to like who I would be photographed with, if that makes sense. So I feel like maybe this would be a better option for the June wedding. Let me know what y'all think, because I have a couple weeks, so I'll definitely take your thoughts into consideration. So this is number 3, feeling really pretty in this one. Okay, y'all, this is the last one. This one is a shorter one. A lot of reviews did say it was shorter. You can see in comparison to the other one, this one's like almost right at my fingertip. Not wearing a bra. A lot of the concerns were the top part. I'm like barely a B, so keep that in mind. If you're anything larger than a B, this is not gonna fit you. But I feel like I can move and like it doesn't really come away from the chest, so I'm not worried about popping out. I also love that it covers my arms because I am very self-conscious about my arms. It's like the first part of my body that gains weight, I swear. But I do like that this covers that. I think it's cute. I think it's short, but not overly short. But let me show you the problem. The back. The back, this, I hate that. I think it looks terrible. Also the like little ties I feel like are sticking out. Oh, it looks okay now. Yeah, so really the only way I can wear this is if I kill it, crush it this month, and I'm able to get that to like go away, at least so it's not so obvious. I haven't had that in a long time, so I guess that just shows I've gained a little weight, which is fine, it happens. But yeah, this one I definitely wouldn't wear unless I could take care of that back issue in the next 4 weeks. So maybe that'll be the goal, because I do think this is super pretty and fun. It's like a silky material almost. Like, this is cute. This is fun. So let me know what y'all's thoughts are. And the thing is called Fashion Pass. If there's any sort of referral, like I can send you a link and you get $20 off, I'll leave it for you in the description box. Or if it's over 20, because I think if you just sign up first, you get like 20 bucks off anyways, just straight from their website. You don't need a referral link. But if there is one, I'll link it for you. Try to save you some money if you want to try out Fashion Pass. But yeah, I say overall 10 out of 10. I'm very impressed and I'm excited to do this for months to come. Yay! Hey y'all, okay, I'm watching this, my friend's Marco. I just need to tell y'all this, listen to this part. I just did a haul, like I did y'all a haul and then I did it on Marco Polo, which is like a video app for friends. So this is my friend Mariah's response.
Hello? Okay, first of all, can we all just take a moment and acknowledge that Lauren might have just found outfits for everything that she has going on soon and like, she's not panicked? Yay!
I literally will spend 2 months shopping and not pick an outfit until 2 days before an event. Every single time. I'm panicked until the last second. So I'm also proud of myself. This is lunch. So I have the cauliflower fried rice. I burnt it a little bit, but it still tastes good. And then I just did 3 of those blackened tenders. And yeah, this is lunch. Now that I took forever doing a whole fashion haul, I need to hurry and get out of here so I can go back to work. But I didn't really get anything done around the house. That's fine. I'll just do it whenever I get home. But I did start some laundry, got lunch, did a haul, feeling really good about all those items. And I feel like it's giving me good motivation to like eat good, get on the treadmill, drink lots of water, and try to slim down so that I look like so hot in that orange dress. That's the goal. Okay, y'all, I just got home. I'm running the dishwasher, about to take out the trash, which is down there. But I wanted to show you the quick, tiny grocery haul for the week. We're really still working on using up stuff from freezer and pantry. I got my favorite body wash, the Sleep Blend by Dr. Teal's. This is so inexpensive. You get a ton. This is 24 fluid ounces. It's amazing. I'm a nighttime showerer, so if you are too, I love this. Also for dessert for the week, we got the kind of frozen bars. These taste like a Snickers ice cream. They're so good. I actually need to get them in the freezer immediately because it is hot in Texas and they have been in the car. See what I mean? Like, we have issues, okay? Moving on, I got some tomatoes and some romaine lettuce for burger night. I might end up doing like a burger salad. I'm not sure yet. I got the Aloha buns, which are basically like Hawaiian buns. That's what Morgan wanted, but they are a little bit higher in calorie. I can definitely make it work, but we'll just see how the day goes. We're gonna have that tonight, but he's not getting home until around 7 from work, so he said he's just gonna pick something up. So I'll make something, maybe even a burger salad tonight. I don't know. We'll see. I got some hummus because we have some crackers in the pantry that we can use, and then I got Morgan. I'll eat some of this too, but mostly for Morgan to have with the crackers. Some sharp cheddar. Got a few bananas at Morgan's request. A thing of sparkling water and some toilet paper, and that is all we got this week at the grocery store. All right, y'all, we're on the treadmill. We're inclined already. We have a bunch of crap from Amazon, of course. Let's pick up the pace to 3, and it's day 1 of 12-3-30. So day 1, 12-3-30, we gotta get rid of this back roll. I'm literally wearing socks and Crocs right now. I'm not even wearing tennis shoes. It's fine. I'm about to watch a YouTube video. Probably check in with Miranda and Sophie, both their channels. See who else has posted lately and knock out this 30-minute workout, and then I'm ready to eat. I'm so hungry, trying to decide what I'm gonna have, but I think I'm leaning towards like a chicken burger salad or a chicken burger with a side salad. So we'll see. Now Relight Hydration, which is the same thing, it's just, and it tastes the same. I've already tasted the watermelon lime. I have that one in pina colada are my tops, and they are back in stock, and Burgess gets you a discount, so I got 2 of those ready to roll. Glad to get my like real electrolyte. Okay, y'all. Day 1. Okay, we're calling it 12-3-30, but it's actually, today was 8-3-30. If you don't know what that is, it's a treadmill workout. It's supposed to be 12 incline, 3 speed for 30 minutes. My incline only goes up to 10, and today it's on 8 because I'm just getting started and I needed a little help, okay? So we started with 8. It was so freaking hard. Sorry, I'm trying to get off that treadmill. Yeah, that really sucked. I really had to like hone in the motivation because I wanted to stop at 2 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 25 minutes. And I just kept saying like, okay, if you're dead at 20, you can get off. And at 20, I was like, I can do 5 more. And then at 25, it's like, well, I can finish it out, you know? Just have to set those small goals for myself, but we crushed it. Now I'm starving. I also feel like I need to do like a stretch before I do the treadmill. And I think I'm gonna pull up a stretching video to do because my hips just get so tight on that incline. So yeah, I'm gonna try to get in some stretching tonight, but you can literally see the sweat running down my face. Overall, I'm proud of myself. Also TMI, but it's day 2 of my period. And I'm somebody that like, I have really bad cramps, etc. I've talked to my doctor, you know, but mine are still not great. And I usually come home, have some wine, plan my dessert for the night, have whatever I want for dinner. Like that's what I do on period. But I just really pushed through today. I got home, I got a lot of stuff done, changed my clothes, got on the treadmill. Like I was just go, 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 no excuses. And I'm so happy I got everything done. Now I can have dinner. Morgan should be here in about 30 minutes. I think we're gonna go try to walk tonight if he's still in the mood. I know he's been gone all day though, so he might not want to. But we might get in some more walking tonight, and yeah, it's been a good day. So I'll show you dinner whenever I figure it out. Okay, if y'all saw the video I was watching on the treadmill, it was Nicole Burgess, and she, I love her videos. They're really long. She has tons of good, low calorie, high protein meal ideas. And anyways, she made like a Southwest wrap, and she did have like a mixture with like bean and corns and cauliflower to go on it. I don't have that, but it sounded so good. I'm gonna work with what I have. So we're gonna finish up these Tyson blackened chicken strips. It's kind of the theme of the week. So we're gonna use those. We have a couple of these Mission tortillas. They're technically past the date, but they look fine. So I'm gonna use one of these, 70 calories. She made a taco dip, and I'm gonna get the sour cream, the Greek yogurt, so I can make this too. But she does Greek yogurt, Taco Bell hot sauce, and Taco Bell seasoning, and makes like a dressing for taco salad and burritos. But I'm gonna do the same with the light sour cream, because that's what I have. I also have some taco seasoning in the cabinet. So there's that. I'm gonna go ahead and use one of these spicy pepper jack Laughing Cow cheeses. That's 35 calories. And then just lettuce and tomato, and just make a big old like wrap taco situation. And I think it's going to hit the spot. Okay, the chicken's going. I'm gonna have a couple pickles because I'm so hungry, and it's gonna take about 10 minutes for the chicken, but, oh, little pickle snack. It's okay, I'm the only one that eats pickles in this house, so it's all my germs. Dad's gonna be home soon. How was the drive? You got here quicker.
Yeah, I was moving.
Nice.
Hey.
All right, y'all, tortilla, I just heated it in the microwave. It's, you know, it's been in better shape, but it's okay. So we have that, and then I'm gonna do the Laughing Cow cheese. Just spread it all around. Some of this sauce that I made is on my spoon, but that's just fine. I'm gonna go lettuce. All the lettuce. Tomatoes so they don't fall off, kind of put them in the bottom there. Okay. It's not much chicken, but we're gonna make it work. Plenty really. Once it's on the wrap, that's plenty. And then I made this sauce with just the sour cream, the hot sauce, and I didn't want to open a taco seasoning, so I did a little chili powder and cumin, and it's pretty good. I might do a little salsa too, just because I'm a sauce person. Like, I want lots of sauces, you know? Wow. What a beauty. So I'm gonna have this, maybe a little salsa, and I'm probably gonna have some chips on the side, honestly, because we have some. And that's dinner, yay. Morgan just got home literally right as I was like assembling this, and I was like, dang it. He got home like 30 minutes earlier than we thought. I would have just done the chicken burgers because then we could have eaten that together, but it's fine. I think he'll have some tonight because I thawed out 6. So he'll have some tonight and we'll have the rest tomorrow. Totally fine. He also wants to like shower and stuff before eating. So we're eating the wrap. I just took the first bite and it is so good. Like, far exceeded my expectations. The Laughing Cow with the sauce and the chicken and like chef's kiss. It's delish. These, me and Morgan have discovered, are the best barbecue chips that exist. I'm just gonna weigh some out for 150 calories. Hickory Barbecue Kettle by Boulder Canyon. We get them from Sprouts. They're not cheap, but they're so freaking good. Morgan's like favorite chip isn't even barbecue, and he swears these are like one of the best chips. But I'm gonna eat, and I'll probably see y'all tomorrow.